Welcome to another video walk around here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we'll be taking a look at this 2019 Ford Edge with some great exterior features that include rear bumper sensors and 18-inch wheels. Entering the vehicle, we have our key with our lock and unlock. Taking a first look inside, you've got black leather interior. This Ford also comes equipped with a panoramic moonroof, power seat adjustments, and all-weather floor mats. Taking a seat in the vehicle and looking at the steering wheel, on the left side here we have our cruise control along with your safety features. On the right you have your hands-free calling along with your audio controls and your paddle shifters at the back. This Edge comes with 126,000 kilometers. Over in the middle on your touchscreen, you have your navigation along with your AM/FM radio, Bluetooth phone connection, and at the bottom here we have our heated seat and heated steering wheel. You also have access to your touchscreen climate controls, and you have a backup camera. Right below that, we have another set of our climate controls along with your heated seat buttons. Down at the very bottom, you have a couple of outlets along with a wireless phone charger. And right behind that, we have our dial gear shifter. Taking a look at the rear seats, you've got two fold-out cup holders along with storage pouches in each of the seat backs and two outlets at the bottom of the center console. This Ford Edge also comes equipped with a power liftgate. Once that's open, you can see we have a ton of storage space with the rear seats folded up, but if you're hauling larger items or just need the extra room, the rear seats easily fold down using these convenient buttons on the left-hand side. To close the liftgate, you could use the button on your key fob again, but there's also an additional button on the top of the liftgate itself. Thank you for watching our video walk around on this 2019 Ford Edge with some great interior features that include heated seats, a heated steering wheel, navigation, and power folding rear seats. We are located at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.